YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I will guide you through how you can set up yourself a ENAA Tunnel VPN for a fast connection, a secure connection, a stable connection in all countries, all regions, all networks. So don't forget to drop a like, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this, and that is it. So setting up this application will be the most simplest thing you have ever done since we have started up this YouTube channel. So this application is the most easy to set. Let us go to Google Play Store, and then once we are in Google Play Store, we are going to download this application using the official Google Play Store, because once you don't use Google Play Store, you may use other applications that may crash. So I recommend you to download that application. Take note of the spellings, and then take note of the app icon, the app name. That is how the application will be looking like. So install, and then after open. Now this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So allow all the required permissions, most of the notification permission, and then you'll be able to see the new update. This one, new update. And then I recommend you to check OK, and then once you check OK, this is what will be next. So you're going to first come after opening up this application and tap where you see update, where I'm pointing. If you are able to see the screen overlays, check onto where I'm pointing, and then follow up the procedure step by step, so as you can be able to access also a secure connection in all regions or networks. So check update, and then once you check for update, give it some few seconds, and then I recommend you to use the online update. So if you've been using this application previously and it has been failing to connect, I recommend you to clear data and then check online update. So this is what will be next. You're going to come where you see auto select server after updating the servers for this application, and then you're going to be seeing a list of servers. So I recommend you to use a server that is near to your country's location, if not your country's location. So but if you're not able to sport out those servers, I recommend you to keep in the auto select server for best and optimized performances. So lastly, you're going to come right here, you have direct SSH, and then once you see direct SSH, you're going to be able to see all those servers. So I recommend you to come from recommended to all countries, and then once you turn to all countries, this is how we're going to be setting up this. So if your country supports a UDP protocol, kindly I recommend you to use this one, and if your network supports a DNS-TT protocol, use this one. But alternatively, you can look for your country's server by just scrolling or by just searching for that particular country. So I'm going to use a direct UDP protocol, and then I'll be able to start, and then press OK. Give it some few seconds. As you see, mine has connected successfully. If yours fails to connect, let me know in the comment section, or turn airplane mode on and then off. Try to clear the app data by coming update and then clear app data. And that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe, share this tutorial with your friend. I'm Maru's Tech, and I sign out.